Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So in this video, guys, as usual, we're gonna go through AMC GME price action. We have the Fed meeting today, so we're gonna discuss what can happen during this meeting, which is in 20 minutes, guys, and we're gonna try to understand what can happen next. So let's get into it. Alright, guys. So I'm gonna make a short video because I have only one very interesting thing to show you is this breakout, all right, on AMC. So I posted this in my Discord this morning. So let me first show you the situation first on a 4 hours time frame. So I'm talking about this wedge pattern for the past week, I would say. And we were waiting for this breakout here, all right? So I remind you guys, whenever we have a bullish divergence, we want to see a breakout, a candlestick pattern, RSI higher than 50, or a moving average crossover. So two moving averages that cross each other with a lower time frame and a higher time frame, or the price action crossing a moving average. All of that is a price action signal that, when combined with a bullish divergence, is creating a bullish signal that usually gives a positive reaction. So here we had the bullish divergence, all right? I showed you guys that many times, all right? It's here. As you can see, momentum going higher, price action going lower, all right? Which means that bears are out of steam. So then we were waiting for this breakout. And as you can see, clearly, you can't ignore the fact that there was a domino effect of stop losses. We can zoom in a little bit. But this happened very quickly, this move here. And I'm going to tell you everything about this move. All right. It happened roughly in, I would say, 1 hour. All right. So we are looking at the 4 hours time frame. Why? Because this is where we have the bullish divergence. So we must do all of the analysis on the 4 hours time frame. So let's have a look at the volume. So on the 4 hours time frame, you can see the volume is higher, true, but it's not incredible at all. It's just a little bit higher than the lowest volume we had recently, so it's not really a volume increase. Then you're going to tell me, yeah, but if I go on an hourly time frame, I have a nice volume increase. Okay, true, but first, the volume increase here occurred on a red candle, so that's not good. And second, we cannot check the hourly volume for 4 hours divergence combined with a breakout, because this is the right time frame to use. This is where we have the bullish divergence. So this is the time frame we need to use to check the volume, and the time frame is fixed with the bullish divergence, and then we need to have volume. We need to have bulls taking back control during 4 hours, and we didn't have that. We had a breakout, but the volume is low. So this is what I said in the alert I posted this morning. I said that yesterday's breakout is validated because we closed the day above, all right? That we had the bullish divergence. We had a nice build-up. Once again, you can see we tested this trend line multiple times before breaking it. This is what we call a build-up that always, should happen on low volume. Look at those very low volume. So we had the nice build-up with on low volume. We had the breakout, and we closed above the 20 period SMA. Once again, you check the 20 period, whatever the time frame you're using, all right? Because this is the right time frame, the right moving average to use for a crossover. And here we had this crossover, so this was very positive. Now we had some signs that this breakout is not strong. The first and obvious one is that it didn't involve big volume, so we had a small volume increase. Okay, so that's already a reason that is good enough for me to say that this breakout is not a strong breakout. Okay, first thing. Then you can go deeper in the analysis by saying that the RSI is below 50. If you don't know where to put your breakout for when you see a bullish divergence, you just combine it with a higher than 50 RSI. It works. It works. It makes money. It's not incredible, and you're gonna have algorithms in front of you that basically, because it's a systematic strategy, I prefer to use breakouts that involved some subjectivity. This is what I'm explaining in my course, by the way. For those interested, the link is in the description. And you're gonna make money, but not a lot, right? Let's be honest. But you're not gonna lose money. If you do that 1,000 times, I guarantee, if you use, of course, the right stop loss and the right profit taking, which is not easy, but at least you're gonna have good signals. All right. RSI higher than 50, so here it was smaller than 50, which shows that bulls are not back in control. The momentum is not higher than 50, all right? Simple rule, above 50, bulls in control, below 50, bears in control, all right? So here we have mixed signals. Then we like to see, whenever we have a breakout, we like to see a clean victory. So we like to see a big candle, so here it was a small one, and to close at the top of the candle, which shows that bulls were in control during the full candle, 4 hours, and then you need to have volume. So here we had mixed signals. So what is happening now? Now we pull back because this breakout was, I would say, weak. Usually you can use fibs here, but in this situation, as you can see, we retraced the whole breakout, but it was a small one, so fair enough. And we found some support on this trend line that is now support, all right? It was resistance, it became support. So we are still in a situation clearly where bulls are trying to take back control, and we're gonna apply the same things. So we need to have volume increase, we need to stay above the 20 period moving average, we're now below. So we have a fight, all right? We have a fight here, but with a first impulse given by bulls. So it's looking better than yesterday. I mean, before I did my video. But yesterday it was looking bearish. Today it's looking, I would say, slightly bullish, but neutral bullish, right? It's not a very strong bullish signal, but it's still very positive. It's been a long time we're waiting for that. We have earnings coming in a few days, so this could be a catalyst for AMC as well. All right, guys, so this is what I wanted to show you. I think it's interesting. Once again, this is the kind of information I try to share in my Discord. For those who want to learn, join the Discord, link in the description as well. Sorry for every GME fan, but I can't spend that much time on GME because we don't have here anything happening. We make zero today. We didn't have a breakout yesterday. Yesterday we moved up 70 bips. So once again, I told you guys the difference between AMC and GME. I mean, right now is that GME is consolidating horizontally. So here it's been 3 days we are not moving before here. So I mean, for me the level to close above is 130. As long as we are below that, bears in control. So that's pretty much it, guys. We can quickly have a look if we have some bullish divergences. We don't. You can see the momentum is flattish, not going up, because it was higher than AMC. AMC dropped heavily, so the momentum was very low, and then whenever you stabilize, the momentum is increasing. GME has a momentum that is flattish and low. So I don't have a bullish divergence. I don't have a clear trend line. It's just less, interesting in terms of technical analysis to study this situation. We are a bit in a boring situation. We need to have some, more information so that we can try to guess who is doing what, where are stop losses. Here, I don't have a clear vision. The only thing I see is above 130, bulls are back in control. So we're going to monitor that. Then, bam, 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 triple Q, guys. But once again, I mean, the Fed meeting is in 15 minutes. What is going to be interesting? So we expect a plus 50 bips increase in rates. I mean, no surprise here. It's 95% sure, maybe 99% sure it's going to be 50 bips increase. What is going to be interesting is the guidelines given by Jerome Powell that will happen in 1 hour. So I'm going to listen to this, of course, because everything he's going to say is going to be, interpreted by investors, and it's very hard to trade. I will personally not trade unless I see something obvious, but I don't think I'm going to see anything obvious because we are in a situation where on triple Q, we are close to the lows, but we are far from the resistance, far from supports. So there's nothing. I mean, if I see a move coming here, I would sell it. All right. So this is the only trade I would try to do. If I see a massive move up, I I will be selling this move up. Nothing much to say, guys. Bears still in control on triple Q. I told you my support is 280, resistance 330, then 338 is the pivot point, the major level to take back for bulls to try to be back in control on the long term. Try. It's not because we go above that level that bulls are back in control, but at least it looks better. And last but not least, oil, guys. As you guys know, I'm bullish on commodity, pretty much every commodity. And of course, on the oil market, I'm bullish as well. And we had a few good opportunities with a retest of this long-term breakout here. As you can see, we've been testing it once, twice, 3 times. I don't know if this time is the good time, but you guys know that the embargo will happen soon with Russia on the gas probably first, but the oil as well. I don't see how this market can stay here. I think that it will just we might very well have a dip. I'm not saying that, you know, it's 100% win. I'm just saying that in a few months oil will probably be trading higher. So this is the position I have. It's protecting me against inflation. It's protecting me against you know, the kind of dark scenario where the war intensifies and relations between countries worsen, and oil, which is of course affecting the oil price. So I'm having a hedge against that. I'm having a short position on triple Q, and I'm long AMC, GME, many other stocks, guys. I'm not going to tell you all the list, but it's been tough for my long positions, but I made good money on my short position and on my energy plays as well. I've been playing this move for quite some time, so that's the good thing these days. So that's it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Tomorrow I'm going to debrief what's going to happen after Fed's decision, and especially Jerome Powell's guidelines. And yeah, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget, guys, to click on the sub, like and bell button so you're going to be the first to know when I upload anything new. And stay close to shore. See you guys.